Hello everyone, welcome back to Lena's Kitchen. Today I will share with you the most famous butter shortbread cookies recipe. This recipe I have already shared it with you in my previous video of the fruit pie recipe. I will leave you the link of the recipe below the video, and I have been using this recipe for more than 15 years in tart molds and butter shortbread cookies. And today, I will share with you only the method of forming and decorating your butter shortbread cookies. Open your dough with a rolling pin for about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter of thickness. Use seal pads to avoid any flour addition because any addition of flour turns your dough hard and change your dough consistency. Make sure your dough is opened evenly from the middle to the edges. Use a cookie cutter of your choice. Dip your cookie cutter in flour so it doesn't get stick to the dough. Continue this way until you complete all the quantity. Bake your cookies at 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they turn golden brown on the bottom. When your cookies are completely cooled down, brush the bottom of your cookies with apricot jam. Dip them in crushed almonds, like I'm doing so. You can use crushed peanuts or coconuts. Always decoration depends on people's taste. If you like peanuts or coconuts, you can use them as topping. Then put a little bit of jam on the bottom side of the cookies. Stick the bottom side with the top side and fill up the hole with jam. Continue like that until you finish all your amount that you need. For the second type of decoration, with a sifter, I sifted a little bit of confectioner sugar on the top of my cookies. With strawberry jam, stick the bottom of your cookies with the top and fill up the hole with jam. Let your cookies dry for about 24 hours before serving them. The taste of both types of cookies was wonderful. The combinations between apricot jam and almonds give my first type of cookies a wonderful taste, and the second type was with vanilla and strawberry jam, is a typically summer taste. My cookies were very crunchy on outside and soft on the inside. This recipe is very easy, tasty, and worth to try. Please try it soon and leave me a comment how they come out with you. My video for today is done. I hope this recipe was helpful and you will try it soon. See you in the next video. Bye!